Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Dinusha from the Department of Pathology, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Today I am here to talk about World Hemophilia Day that is celebrated on April 17th every year in the honor of Frank Schnabel. He is the founder of World Federation of Hemophilia. The main objective of this organization and celebration of this day is to raise awareness among the general public regarding the bleeding disorders like hemophilia. Every year this organization takes up one theme and work on that particular theme throughout the year. This year it is the 32nd edition of the celebration of this day, and the theme for this year is Access for All, Prevention of Bleeds as a Global Standard of Care. That is, the community should come together and work with the local policy makers and the government for the improved access to the treatment of the hemophilia patients, with an emphasis on the better control and prevention of bleeds as an important cause. Hemophilia is a rare inherited medical disorder where the ability of the blood to clot is severely reduced. For the normal individuals, whenever there is a minor injury or any cut, the bleeding will automatically stop because of the process of blood clotting. This process of blood clotting is severely reduced in the hemophilia individuals. It is caused due to a mutation of a gene that is located on the X chromosome. Due to its genetic pattern, the disease is common in males, whereas the female individuals acts as carrier of this particular condition. Now let us discuss what are the different symptoms and what are the different types of this hemophilia diseases. So the main symptoms of this hemophilia diseases are the big bruises, bleeding into the joint cavities or bleeding into the deep tissue cavities, and severe bleeding even after minor cuts, or prolonged bleeding after minor surgical procedures. So in the normal individuals, whenever there is a small cut, the bleeding will get stopped immediately within 1 or 2 minutes. In this hemophilia individuals, so the bleeding won't stop, that results in the severe prolonged bleeding. That is the main symptom of this hemophilia individuals. We have 13 different clotting factors in our blood for this blood clotting. Based on the clotting factor that is deficient, there are different types of hemophilia diseases. The commonest conditions that results in the disease are hemophilia A and hemophilia B. Hemophilia A is due to the factor 8 deficiency, whereas hemophilia B is due to the factor 9 deficiency. It is also known as the Christmas disease. The main treatment for this hemophilia diseases or all the bleeding disorders is taking the factor concentrates. The main treatment for hemophilia and all these bleeding disorders is taking the clotting factor concentrate injections. According to the World Federation of Hemophilia's annual global report 2021, 4.3 lakhs of individuals are suffering from hemophilia across the world. But the actual number is very high, as 80% of the cases goes unreported. The mean age of diagnosis of hemophilia in the Western countries is 8 months, whereas in Southeast Asian countries like our country, it is 55 months. The main reason for this disparity is lack of awareness among the general public regarding these bleeding disorders. Hence, the local policy makers and the government should implement new schemes and policies to raise awareness about this particular bleeding disorder and to provide access to the treatment for this hemophilia individuals. So the bleeding in these individuals will get controlled. People go years suffering from a bleeding disorder and not knowing about it. With the help of this video, let us all raise awareness about the bleeding disorders and help them to get better treatment from today. Thank you.